Okay, so I've always wanted to post a video. This is your regular ratchet wrench, as you can see. But, what happens is they're pieces of shit and they'll snap, like mine did. I don't know why my phone just won't focus in here. But right here is the actual ratcheting mechanism, as you can see. See that there? When I push in, I gotta give pressure and I can twist it back the other way now.
Stay on there.
See, now I switched it back over. That's the inner mechanism of your regular piece of shit ratchet. So if you ever bust your knuckles, this is gonna be a culprit. Don't use the cheap ones.